So yun na nga, as expected and forecasted natin, lagi natin sinasabi doon sa Telegram community natin na the Federal Reserve will cut rates, interest rates. So that's the reason why the gold is going up and yung US dollar nga is going down, no? So basically coming from 160 sa USD/JPY, no, now it's 147. And ayun, so from 3.2 si gold, no, last month or 2 months ago, now it's on a 3.7. It made a new all-time high, no, at 3.707. And yun nga, medyo mabigat yung resistance. So like what I said then, na it's going to price in before the news or the announcement itself. So by the time na in-announce na, we will sell on news. Ayan, so sinabi natin yan. And yun na nga, yun nangyari. So check natin yung chart natin mismo. So again, our bias, our way of trading is that we relate yung fundamental analysis with our technical analysis, and we don't just blindly check the technicals alone, no? So there's a fundamental reason, and most of the time it's the fundamental reasons that moves the market. And with the technicals, that's where we look for entry, that's where we look for our exits and our expectations. So let's check yung ating technical analysis. Okay, so gold is currently at 3660 and check natin yan. Ayan. Yan, so may mga ano na nga tayo dito, no? May mga drenowing na tayo, pero tanggalin natin, check natin kung ano ba yung mga possible na mangyari. So right now, ayan, so coming from, ayan, punta man tayo sa 4-hour time frame. Ayan, coming from 3707. Ayan, so coming from 3707. Okay, yung malaking red na kandila na yan, no? So yan nga yung sinasabi natin na kagabi, no, nung mismong announcement during the 4 hours of that. Ayan, napaka taas niya. So bumaba muna siya sa 3650, then tumaas siya sa 3707, then all the same within that 4-hour time frame bumagsak ulit siya, no? And from there, ayun nga, nag-ano na siya, nag-sideways movement na siya. So right now it's around the lower end na nga nung ng support natin, no? So technically, overall, we are still bullish. So look at that. If you are still not bullish with that, but for me, I'd like to see a retracement, a correction, bago siya magtuloy pataas. I would like to see na talagang malaking correction, no? I'm not talking about going back to just 3.6. So maybe it can go back to 3.480, no? So since nag-sell on news naman na, it can still go down pa. So 61.8 golden ratio, so 3.480, ayan, 3.459 rather. But yun nga, hindi pa naman siya talaga mangyayari. So it can happen anytime soon, maybe days or weeks, but I'd like to see a correction before it continues to go up. So ito rin yung nangyari during the time na mag-announce si Trump ng tariff, and umakyat siya sa 3.5, and by the time na umakyat siya sa 3.5, which is a significant resistance, psychological resistance, whole numbers, bumagsak siya down to 3.1. So napakalaki. So this 3.480 na golden ratio pullback is not really impossible. So it's really na pwedeng mangyari, no? So going down to our execution levels, which is 5-minute or 15-minute time frame. So right now it's still consolidating, and so right now we have a sell bias, and so since we are expecting a big pullback, but we are not hindi natin di natin tinatanggal yung possibility na it can still go up because the news is really bullish, no? So I'm checking here na kapag nabasag niya itong lower end na support 3, which is 3450, 3645, 3650, then it can go down to 3628, 36 level, no? So pero hanggang dun lang muna, within 36 lang muna tayo. So hindi muna tayo magka-assume na it can go down way down to 3480. Yon. So I would say na kapag naman sa taas siya bumasag, ayan, meron din tayong mga abang dyan, no? Naka-buy stop tayo dyan. And before we continue to buy, we'd like to see some momentum, some very convincing break to 3670, no? So yun nga, kagabi nag-signal na pag nabasag tong 3670, then we can expect for it to go up to 37, and it did, no? So ayan, so check natin. Okay, so right now talaga we are on a downward bias. So very stretch na to, no? Sobrang stretch na tong gold natin. Ayan. So kung mabasag niyan pataas, there's a horizontal, there's a trend line, then we can resume our buying. But right now, as long as na dumidikit siya dito sa other end sa taas, we will still sell. Ayan, so magsisell tayo dyan. And our targets is 3645. Ayan, so 3645 muna yung targetin natin. Medyo malaki-laki rin yan, 3659 to 3645. It actually went up to 3666, 3670. Kung na-target natin yung 3650, then malaki-laki move na rin yan, no? So depending on your lot size. Ayan, so medyo kota ka na dyan dapat. Ayan, pero may malaki pang move yan kung mababasag niya pababa. Ayan, so there's a lot of support areas. And 3620, ayan, pwede niyang targeting yan pagka bumagsak. Ayan, so those are our expectations, no? So wag muna tayong mag-expect na talagang baba siya, na talagang sobrang baba. But rather we can expect that we can target the lower end muna, yung mga 3645, 3620, and then 36. Those are our targets. And then kapag bumasag siya dito sa taas, 3670, then we can resume our buy, and then we can target our all-time high at 3707. So that's it, guys. I highly invite you to join our Telegram community. And also if you are interested in trading, and meron tayong mga link dyan sa ating bio or sa description. I'd like to see you there. And with our Telegram community, if naka-join ka na doon, you can also join our free webinars. And we also have a one-on-one mentoring program. And yun, directly message me so that we can schedule it out. So see you there.